What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we are going to be talking about foot spinning. This is a great way to get other parts of your body involved in Flowstar. I personally really like doing this because I get to lay down while I do it. And it's pretty impressive once you figure out how to do it. So if you already know how to spin a Flowstar on your finger, this is going to use relatively the same type of principles. We're just going to talk about your ergonomics while you are foot spinning, as well as some things to be mindful of. Personally, I have found that when I aim for the center of the Flowstar with my foot, I have more control and I have more time to figure out where the center of gravity is with my foot. And it lets me fall off to the side for that proper type of spinning or that continuous spinning. So for your body, when you are foot spinning, you are going to be on your back. You're going to keep your core engaged. A good thing to think about is tucking your belly button in and imagining your hip bones coming together to really help with that stability and have proper ergonomics. The next thing you want to think about is potentially lifting your head, potentially letting it rest. I like to keep my leg completely straight, and I move my entire leg around to gain control of the star. I'm working with my hip here. Everything's engaged, my core, my glutes, my quads, my hamstrings, and you want to have a really sturdy base. My other leg is bent and flat on the ground for stability. There's a couple different ways that you can enter foot spinning, but to begin, I like to start with my own finger spin, and I like to set it on my toe at an angle, pointing my toes and placing it on the star. And right when you place the star on your foot, go ahead and pop your leg up so that you have your sturdy base that we talked about earlier. And that, my friends, is your crash course on foot spinning. Make sure to give this video a like if you found it helpful and leave any comments if you have any questions. Bye, Flomies.